That's what you refer to as official discrimination.
And it's legally enforced rules that have an effect on gays and lesbians, which is different than heterosexual people, yes.
That's what you refer to as official discrimination? Is that true? I'm just trying to get your word.
Yeah, well, I'm maybe legal is a better word. It's or de jure. I don't know how you want to describe it. Various different ways to say the same thing.
What word is the word you use? Because I just want to use your language.
Okay, official would be fine.
Official, okay. And by official discrimination, you mean discrimination that is legally enforced, discrimination by the state, correct?
I think that's fair to say, yeah.
Now, are you aware of any of what you call official discrimination against gays and lesbians in this country today, other than the don't ask, don't tell policy?
I'm trying to think of other laws now, or official policies that discriminate on that basis. Now, obviously, I think what you're looking at is, one thing would be the DOMA policy, right? And
there you go.
Okay, so I know that's what you're getting at, right?
Right. That'd be another example. Yes.
Okay.
If you're looking at adoption, some states treat heterosexuals differently than homosexuals, correct?
It's a more complicated area of law. I think there's more discretion by individual judges. I think that only a couple of states have statewide policies that actually restrict adoption. Now, Arkansas is an example where the restriction is on unmarried couples. So that could be either heterosexual or same-sex.
Yes, but in Arkansas, they put that in at the same time that they put in a law that said that gays and lesbians couldn't marry, correct?
Yeah, but that's correct. But also,
so it means that because gays and lesbians can't marry, by definition, they're not going to be a married person, so they can't adopt, correct?
That effect is correct, but it also applies to heterosexual couples as well.
Except heterosexual couples can marry, correct?
They can
in Arkansas.
Yeah, but it is a restriction on them that they would have to marry in order to adopt.
Right. And gays and lesbians can't marry, so they can't adopt, correct?
That's the current law.